How to log in Terabox account. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. If you have logged out of your Terabox account and need to log back in, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to log back in. Open Terabox on your device. You will land on its login page. You can either continue with Google or Facebook. To access additional login option, tap on the down arrow. After clicking on the down arrow, two more options will appear. First is login with email, then second one is login with phone number. Select your preference among the four options to log in. For this video, I will continue with email. Tap on the mail icon. You will be directed to the sign up with email page. Tap on the blue colored login option beside the already have an account text. Now you can sign in with your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Terabox account. Next, enter your password associated with your Terabox account. I have copied my password, so I will simply paste it over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can even reset it by tapping on the Forgot Password option. Once your credentials are entered, tap on the login button. A security verification pop-up will appear. Tick I am not a robot checkbox. Then complete the verification captcha. And boom, you have successfully logged into your Terabox account. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.